And for the doxology,
of 60 completing learners. I hereby certify that they have successfully completed all the requirements of the K-12 curriculum for pre-elementary prescribed by the Department of Education. Ma'am, may I now request for the confirmation of their completion?
By the authority vested in me by the Department of Education through the City Schools Division of Bacoor, after having been presented and duly certified by your school principal, Mr. Joseph T. Rebay, that you have successfully completed the basic requirements for pre-elementary prescribed by the Department of Education under the K-12 curriculum. I now confirm you completers of St. Matthew Academy of Cavite for school year 2023 and 2024. Congratulations!
Yay!
you may now take your seats, children. Thank you so much po. Once again,
As you also welcome new learnings and friendship. It is also the time to express how thankful we are to all our teachers who taught us new learnings and friendship and help us learn valuable lessons in life. To all our teachers, school administrators, staff, and personnel, thank you for being part of our days. We would also like to thank our beloved parents and families who were there to support us, guide us, and love us every single day. Thank you for training us since day one. Thank you for all the sacrifices for us. We hope we make you proud. Share! To my dear parents, thank you for the love and support. We are dedicating this day to you. To Mother. Thank you. Thank you, Papa Jesus, for guiding us every day.
Yay!
To my fellow movers, congratulations! Our job well done. And happy freedom. Thank you and good morning.
Ayan na ang activity ngayon ng mga bata, no? Yan po ang mukha ngayon ng ating mga future generation. Ang hawak ay mga cellphone.
Atras po muna tayo, students. As well as the parents mo, konting atras lang po tayo. Ayan, maraming salamat po.
Mabuhay! My name is Sabrina Carson Canadaspa. I am 5 years old. I want to be a dentist.
I'm sorry.
Playground.